Stop right there. If your laptop gets hot and suddenly shuts down, do not ignore this warning. This is a hardware protection response, not a software bug. I am speaking as a technician, and today I will share real tested solutions. First, understand the main reason. Laptop overheating happens when heat cannot escape properly. When temperature crosses safe limits, the system automatically shuts down to protect the CPU and GPU. Solution 1. Internal dust cleaning. This is the most common and most ignored cause. Dust blocks the cooling fan and heat sink fins. Airflow becomes weak and heat stays trapped inside. Open the laptop carefully and clean the fan and vents using a soft brush and air blower. Never use a vacuum directly on the motherboard. Solution 2. Thermal paste replacement. Thermal paste transfers heat from the processor to the heat sink. After 2 to 3 years, the paste dries and loses efficiency. This causes sudden temperature spikes and instant shutdown. Use high-quality thermal paste. Apply a thin and even layer only. Solution 3. Fan health check. A slow or damaged fan cannot remove heat properly. Listen for grinding noise or fan stopping randomly. If fan speed is inconsistent, replace the fan. Software cannot fix a physically weak fan. Solution 4. Laptop surface and airflow. Never use a laptop on a bed pillow or cloth. Soft surfaces block bottom air intake vents. Always use a flat table or a cooling stand. A cooling pad with active fans improves airflow. Solution 5. Background load control. Heavy background apps increase CPU temperature quickly. Check Task Manager and close unnecessary startup programs. Avoid long gaming, video rendering, and stress tasks on old laptops. Solution 6. BIOS and driver update. Outdated BIOS can cause incorrect fan and temperature control. Update BIOS only from the official manufacturer website. Install the latest chipset and graphics drivers. Solution 7. Ambient temperature awareness. High room temperature reduces cooling efficiency. Avoid using the laptop in direct sunlight or closed hot rooms. Final technician tip. If shutdown happens even after cleaning and paste replacement, the issue may be VRM, power IC, or motherboard sensor failure. This requires professional repair, not software tricks. Do not trust fake software claiming one-click cooling fixes. Heat is a physical problem and needs physical solutions. This is Tech Vibes. If this video helped you, support the channel and stay safe with your tech.